Hello, and welcome to Dove Peace Library. Today, we're journeying across the globe to explore 7 of the world's most fascinating deserts. These aren't just vast, empty lands. They are vibrant ecosystems, each with its own unique character, climate, and incredible wildlife. From scorching hot sands to windswept cold plains, let's discover the life that thrives in these extreme environments. Our first stop is the legendary Sahara Desert in northern Africa. As the largest hot desert on Earth, it's a world of towering sand dunes and intense heat. It might seem barren, but it's home to remarkably adapted animals. You can find the iconic dromedary camel, a true symbol of the desert. Look closely, and you might spot the adorable fennec fox, with its enormous ears that help it stay cool. The Sahara also shelters the rare and critically endangered Addax antelope, a master of surviving in this arid landscape. Next, we travel to the Arabian Peninsula to explore the vast Arabian Desert. This desert is famous for its massive expanse of sand, known as the Rub al-Khali, or the Empty Quarter, but it's far from empty. It's the native habitat of the elusive Arabian oryx, a stunning antelope that was once extinct in the wild. You can also find graceful sand gazelles and surprisingly tough desert hedgehogs, all uniquely suited to one of the hottest places on the planet. Now, let's head to Asia, to the Gobi Desert of northern China and southern Mongolia. Unlike the Sahara, the Gobi is a cold desert, characterized by its rocky terrain rather than endless sand dunes. Here, you'll find the two-humped Bactrian camel, perfectly equipped for cold, dry conditions. The Gobi is also one of the last refuges for the incredibly rare Gobi bear, a subspecies of the brown bear. And hopping through the landscape is the jerboa, a tiny rodent that looks like a miniature kangaroo. Returning to Africa, we find the Kalahari Desert, covering parts of Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. The Kalahari is technically a semi-arid savanna. It receives more rainfall than a true desert, which allows for a surprising diversity of life. It's famous for its colonies of meerkats, standing guard in the sun. But the Kalahari is also home to powerful predators like lions and African wild dogs, as well as the majestic gemsbok antelope with its long, spear-like horns. Let's cross the Atlantic to South America and the Patagonian Desert in Argentina. This is another cold desert, a windswept plateau, defined by its gravelly plains and hardy shrubs. Here, herds of guanacos, wild relatives of the llama, roam freely. We can also find the clever Patagonian fox, unique armadillos, and the greater rhea, a large flightless bird that strides across the open plains, resembling a smaller version of an ostrich. Our journey now takes us down under to Australia's Great Victoria Desert. It's the largest desert in Australia, a stunning landscape of sand dunes, grasslands, and shimmering salt lakes. This is the realm of the thorny devil, a lizard covered in intimidating spikes that help it collect water. You'll also see the iconic red kangaroo, the powerful wedge-tailed eagle soaring overhead, and the Parenti, Australia's largest monitor lizard. Finally, we arrive in the southwestern United States to visit the Mojave Desert. Famous for landmarks like Death Valley and the iconic Joshua Tree, the Mojave is a land of stark beauty and surprising life. It's home to the resilient desert tortoise, a species that spends much of its life in underground burrows to escape the extreme temperatures. You might also spot a crafty coyote, hear the classic meep-meep of a roadrunner, or catch a glimpse of majestic bighorn sheep navigating the rocky cliffs. From the heat of the Sahara to the cold winds of Patagonia, deserts are so much more than just sand. They are incredible, complex ecosystems where wildlife and landscapes have adapted in the most extraordinary ways. These 7 deserts show us just a fraction of the beauty and resilience found in the driest places on Earth. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing deserts, please hit the like button and subscribe to Dove Peace Library for more journeys into our wonderful world. See you next time.